Under those grey clouds, more and more people are arriving every single day for the big St. Patrick's Day that's coming up Tuesday here in Benidorm. I'm going to take a quick walk along the strip. I have put up signs already that they want the streets to be cleared out of all cars and everything to make sure for the busiest St. Patrick's Day ever, I believe. So I'm gonna start on this side of the strip all the way at the end with the Rockstar. I've already walked this complete way and it's completely packed, the whole strip. Everyone who used to be at Levante Beach is also probably around here somewhere having some drinks. At Levante Beach it's quite cold, it was quite empty this afternoon. Got a video from that, but I'll show it at the end of this one, so you can continue watching if you prefer that. Meantime, I'm just going to take a nice stroll along this side here to show you guys how the atmosphere is. It's much better over here, it's much warmer as well. Beautiful weather. But at Levante, the wind was freezing down there. Nothing to notice from that right up here. As I said, every single $1 million, like you just saw, jumping jacks. People are even outside because it's just that busy. A bit further down the road, they have started already placing signs on the roads that cars aren't allowed to park anymore after the 16th to make sure it's empty for Paddy's Day, because we need every single bit of space on the strip then.
Got it.
So as you can see, it's a bit darker now. I've took a quick stop at Andy's to get some drinks in with some friends back there. Let's head on today. The new Zodiac is open. So it's nearly finished. A few side panels aren't in place yet. You can spot a TV back there. But on the left side, the one isn't mounted yet, but that isn't that much work anymore. It will be done quite soon, and then the bar is fully operational. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of it? If it's new look, it's nice and fresh. You can clearly see how stacked the bars are right up here. Got railway on the left, right up there. That's the secret garden. Then you've got Beachcomber and all the other bars around it. Right up here on the right, still an empty lot. Used to be a mini golf, video games, some kind of entertainment center, a very small one up there. Still abandoned to this day. Something that is open again, Hippodrome has opened up. Not now, but at night they're open again.
Die pakje moest er wel eens
The street just behind the strip is pretty quiet now. Most people really are right up there. Got Sinatra's here. Not open yet.
ready to call big. Nee.